Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Look, this is watercolor. Black, white, brown, pink, blue, indigo, red, light blue, orange, green, yellow, light green. Look how beautiful colors is. Let's start to learn capital A and a small a. A, B, C, D, E. A. Green color. Check, match the small a. This one. Color it. This is a small a. And match it. This is B, yellow color. Where is B? This. This is a small b. Match the column.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and
C, capital C. This is small c, pink color. Match it.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
Light pink color, D.
Y, and Z.
Check, this is D, small d.
My ABCs, next time won't you sing with me?
Light blue color, E. This is a small e. Match it. Draw the arrow. A, B, small b, C, small c, D, small d, E, small e. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Please like.